words. 3 destroying things, he said. ثلاث مهلكات شح مطاع وهوى متبع وإعجاب المرء بنفسه. 3 things will destroy, meaning destroy my good deeds, destroy my relationship with Allah. Jannah becomes way too far from me. Where are they, Ya Rasulullah? He said, شح مطاع, miserliness, which is one of the diseases. Don't do that. Don't teach her. Don't give her. Don't donate. I hear it and I follow it. Not I fight it. He said, شح مطاع. مطاع meaning I do it. And هوى متبع, my inclination. I like it. I love it. Everyone else is doing it. What is wrong with it? And the 3rd one, when somebody, إعجاب المرء بنفسه, I praise myself, I think I'm the best. And I get very upset, especially this is for the youth here, when they don't praise me and praise my friend. And Allah now putting you on the test, putting you at the test. When someone praises somebody and they don't praise you, you know what should you say? Alhamdulillah, they don't know my shortcomings. Alhamdulillah, Allah concealed it. So diseases of the heart, number 1 is arrogance. Number 2 is self-admiration, ostentation. Show off, the 3rd one. Show off, which I shared it with you. Praise your children. Show the house. Show your furniture. Show your beauty. And again, social media is making it very hard on us to stay focused on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm not against social media. Most of you know me from social media. But when I use it to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's going to be for me on the Day of Judgment. I'm going to say, Ya Allah, I had that Instagram. I did not post anything on that Instagram except what pleases you. I want my reward. Yes. But Instagram and make somebody sad and make somebody feel low, don't.